What's going on, y'all? It's Uno back with another one. Today we feeding the dogs green beans, chicken, fish, and ground beef. Yeah, man, it been a minute, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and get them right. So we starting off with the green beans. The green beans is full of important vitamins and minerals such as protein, iron, and calcium. And the vitamins it has is B6, A, C, and K. And it's also an excellent source of fiber, which help the dogs feel full. This is a great source of protein as well, and it also has a few vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin B12, and also a good source for iron. Eggs can be great for the coat as well. Beef is also another good source of amino acids and protein, as well as fatty acids and minerals. Plus, they love the taste of this, so I always like to keep some of this around. You know, I got to pour the blood in there. They love the blood. That's good for them as well, and they love the taste of it. Now we adding the fish. Again, another great source of protein and amino acids. The fish helps repair the dog's muscle, bone, and other tissues. So, you know what I'm saying? It's always great to add fish. It's also good for the coat. This right here is adding that vitamin D to their diet. So the honey is an antioxidant, and it helps fight diseases. It also can help with your dog's skin problems and lacerations or wounds. Also can help wounds from becoming infected. So I definitely recommend honey in your dog's diet. Turmeric is definitely a sleeper. I would definitely recommend this. It supports the immune system. It helps with digestion. It's an antioxidant. It's for anti-cancer. It helps with arthritis and pain management. Also, it helps with cardiovascular disease, joint health, liver, skin, coat health. Man, the list goes on and on. Brain health. You got antibacterial, stomach ulcers, wound healing. The list goes on and on. Added that moringa as well. That's just as good as that turmeric. They pretty much have some of the same qualities as each other. You know what I'm saying? We blend that thing up. Now we outside. We finna wipe the bowls out just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And get them situated so they can go ahead and get their grub on. Shout out to my boy Hit. He put me on to this. The fish oil pill is a great supplement for fertility. You know what I'm saying? If you have a dog that you're trying to breed or she's pregnant or whatever, that's a great supplement for her to take. So because I got extra food for them, I usually do a full cup for each dog, but today we just gonna pour in probably like a third of what they usually eat. Now we pouring in the mixture I made, you know what I'm saying? Gonna get everything mixed up and get the girls right. Now we dropping them chicken breasts in there, man. They love that. We gonna pour the blood on top, get them that extra flavor and everything. Pour a little bit more food on top. And now it's time to go ahead and let them do their thing. But before we go outside, man, let's go ahead and wipe down our little area real quick. You know what I'm saying? Make sure we don't get no bugs out here. ants and stuff, trying to get to anything I left or dropped. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, added a new little AC unit in here. I gotta get it put in the window properly, but yeah, man, we gonna make sure the girls got everything they need, everything nice and cool in there when they whelping the pups. Yeah, man, this my big girl Venus, big mama Venus. As you can see, she looking a little pregnant there. You know what I mean? If you're interested, get up with me. Y'all know the Instagram at Storm the Bullies. That's Storm DAA Bullies. Y'all know. Contact me if you're interested. We got something special on the way. You making a mess. Venus, you ate all yours, mama. So nigga. My girl Venus finished the food so quick, I felt bad. I said, let me just put her a little bit extra in there, give her something to eat on. This girl nugget. Now everybody about done in. You know what I'm saying? Bowls lit nice and clean. Everybody looking happy. Tails wagging. I'll see y'all next time. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Whole time I'm playing like a fool, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to teach
make 'em go to school, huh? Yeah, I know the block been hot, so I gotta keep it cool.